Hello, I am John High, and we will be talking about developing and customizing a technology integrated professional development curriculum. Focusing the professional development curriculum on the implementation of a digital transition portfolio, tonight's presentation will outline the purpose, outcomes, delivery mechanisms, and activities included in this professional development and learning session. The purpose of the professional development is to provide educators with the necessary skills and knowledge to effectively implement digital portfolios. These tools will allow educators to help their students set long-term goals related to post-secondary education, employment, and independent living. The curriculum focuses on addressing the challenges associated with traditional paper-based portfolios identified in the Needs Assessment Survey. Additionally, it provides participants with skills to manage and update digital portfolios regularly. Participants will gain an understanding of the importance of digital portfolios in preparing students for future careers, as well as exploring various areas. Ultimately, this professional development curriculum will equip educators with tools and resources needed to support their students' career development. Outcomes, not to say that there will not be additional ones, but two planned outcomes for the professional development and learning session are that by the end of the professional development, participants will be able to create and set up a digital portfolio for their classroom, which includes at least 3 artifacts that align with students' post-secondary education, employment, and independent living goals. Secondly, after completing the professional development, participants will be able to differentiate instruction and assessment for their students using digital portfolios as a tool to help support diverse learning needs and abilities within their classrooms by creating an assessment activity that aligns with students' goals and can be integrated into their digital portfolios. The delivery mechanisms that the PD will use to deliver to teachers will include using Nearpod, which allows self-paced review of content and the ability to go back and access materials. Participants will also use small group collaboration in the form of a breakout session where we will discuss goal planning, and participants will be able to take part in some activities, including the creation of some artifacts for a digital portfolio and a customized assessment. Finally, we have a digital Q&A set up using Padlet. Participants will be able to add questions to the board, which can be answered live by our panel of users and technology coaches, which will be on hand. Next, we have the activities. During some of the planned breakout groups, we have staff participating in activities that can be used with their own students, leading to the creation of artifacts. The first is using howtostudy.com's Learning Styles Inventory. Staff can independently use computers to answer questions and explore their learning style, and also reflect on whether they agree or disagree with the results. This was a major comment in the survey and something discussed as a need for students in committee meetings. Another activity that staff will participate in is accessing and taking the ONET Career Interest Profiler. After taking the quick 60-question quiz, staff will have a chance to explore their results and see how this tool can be used with students to match careers with their skills and abilities. During this activity, staff will participate in a goal planning activity to explore 3 areas of interest. This activity is one of the artifacts that can be used with students. The third activity is a breakout activity with a partner where staff will build a transition questionnaire using Kahoot or Google Forms. These survey tools will allow educators to cue students and maintain accurate records, but also provide students with data points for their portfolios and reflections related to transition goals. It also addresses some of the problems described by educators using paper-based portfolios, such as space to store these results, students' access to the results, and accurate record keeping. In conclusion, this professional development curriculum is designed to help adult teaching staff about digital portfolios by focus on creating a relevant, engaging, and interactive learning experience. To support diverse perspectives, the professional development and learning curriculum uses a variety of delivery mechanisms, such as self-paced Nearpod activities, small group collaboration, and a digital Q&A using Padlet. These mechanisms are designed to provide flexibility, personalization, and real-time support, which can accommodate for different learning styles and preferences. Participants will also be engaged in a range of activities such as goal setting, artifact creation, and a Think, Pair, Share assessment session. These activities are designed to be both relevant and practical and can be adapted to suit different career aspirations, skill levels, and learning needs. By engaging in these activities, participants will not only enhance their own skills and knowledge, but also gain practical strategies and tools that they can use with their own students. Thanks for watching.